First, we went to the Howth cliff walk. Our walk started from Bailey's lighthouse and we finished off at Doldrum's beach.
The walk was a bit challenging.
Some parts of the trek was steep. Some parts of the trek we had to pass through thorny plants and narrow places.
We really enjoyed the walk.
We took short breaks to stop and enjoy the beautiful view.
Saw blackberry bushes as well.
We picked some to eat. Next we went to the town and we went to the Howth market. We saw people selling lots of things such as jewellery, art and toys. We also walked around the harbour and saw lots of fishing boats.
I liked the walk. Thank you for watching our video.